first, we did a pilot program with teachers to determine which technology we were going to move forward with and collected pre and post data on that. And then this year we chose 75 gen ed or instructional teachers, because there's also some specials in there too. And then their team teachers. So we're about 92 teachers of a district of about 450 teachers. So about 25% of our teachers right now have done the first wave of the adoption. So what that has allowed in all of our elementary buildings, we have 3 now BenQ experts that are in that building. In all of our secondary buildings, we have at least 13 BenQ experts in there, and I've been supporting them this year in that. And then this year, each building through phases are getting their boards from now until the end of the school year. So about a 6-week period of a rollout process. Then this summer in July, we are offering 3 different types of training, which some of our WOTEC team members are leading that.